Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 10 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 10 maths. Click on view all lessons. And here is the list of the lessons we are going to cover today. We are going to start with the chapter trigonometry. The lesson names are inverses of trigonometric functions, trigonometric ratios, find the length of a side, find trigonometric functions using a calculator. Got it? So let's start with the first lesson, that is inverses of trigonometric functions. Got it? Let me write down the lesson name, then we'll start. Okay, the lesson name is inverses of trigonometric ratios. Okay. Okay, let's start with the lesson, that is I'm on grade 10 maths. The chapter name is trigonometry, and here is the lesson, that is inverses of trigonometric functions. Got it? Okay, so the first question on the tutorial is x is an acute angle. Find the value of x in degrees. 10x equals square root 3 over 3. Got it? So we are given 10x equals square root 3 divided by 3. You have to find the value of x. Got it? So x is an acute triangle. Acute angle means the angle that is less than 90 degrees. Got it? So we are looking for the exact answer. Got it? So if square root 3 by 3 is the tangent of an angle from we have two types of these special triangles. Got it? One of them is 30, 60, 90, that are acute triangles. 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90. Both 30 and 60 are less than are the acute angles. And the other triangle we have is 30, 45, and the other one is, so you can use the definition of the tangent and the following references. We have to use the reference triangles. Got it? So let's just find with the 30, 60, and 90 triangle. Got it? We have to find tan for 30, 60, and 90 triangle. Got it? So 30, 60, tan 60. Here is the angle 60. Got it? So according to this angle, tan 60 is, mm, you have, when you have triangle like this, 30, 60, and 90, so it would be square root 3. These are the special triangles. It would be 3, and this one is also 3. It is a special triangle with the special angles and special side lengths. Got it? So tan 60 is the perpendicular divided by the opposite divided by the, that is the opposite, and that is the hypotenuse. Got it? So it would be square root 3 over 3. So it's square root 3 over 3. That means it is tan angle 60. So tan 60 equals square root 3 over 3. So in this case, x equals 60 degrees. Got it? That is the one case when this angle is 60. Got it? Okay, the other case is, you have the other case is this one, when you have this triangle is 30, angle is 30, this one is 60, and this one is 90. Got it? So for this type of triangle, the lengths are, mm, 3, square root 2, and this one is 3, this one is square root 3, and this one is 1. Got it? So now just look at this angle. If you have to find a tan of angle 60 from here, just write 3 over square root 3. It would be 3 divided by square root 3. That would be the opposite, and that would be the adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. So adjacent is 3. Adjacent is opposite is square root 3 and adjacent is 3. That means the tan of angle 60 is square root 3 over 3. Got it? Okay, then you have the other case of the triangle when you have two of the angles are 45. This is 90. This is 45 and this is 45. In this case, the side lengths are 1, 1 and square root 3, 1, 1 and square root 3. It is 1, 1 and square root 3. Got it? So you have to find tan of angle square root 3. Tan of angle 45. So when you find tan of angle 45, it would be tan of 45 would be 1 over 1. That means 1. So that means square root 3 over 3 is the value for x equals 30 degrees. Got it? Okay, let's just start with another example. Okay, let's just start with the next example. So it would be, let's start with the test question. Okay, x is an acute angle. Find the angle of x in degrees. We have to find the x angle in degrees. Got it? So tan x equals square root 3. So let's start with the, okay, tan x equals square root 3. We have to find tan x equals square root 3. Got it? So we are looking for the exact answer. Got it? So to see if square root 3 is the tangent of an angle from 30, 60, 90, special triangle, or a 40, 45, 90. So let's just use the first triangle, that is, first we have to find tan 30. Got it? We have to find the exact value. So let's see if the tan 30 has the value square root 3. So the special triangle I'm using is 90 degrees. Here you have 30 degrees and here you have 60 degrees. Got it? So in this case, it would be 1, 1 and square root 3. Got it? So when you have to find tan 30, so tan 30 would be opposite divided by the adjacent. So opposite is 1. In case of tan 30, opposite is 1 and adjacent is square root 3. So it would be 1 square root 3. Got it? Okay. Then let's just find tan 45. So tan 45 is, you have a triangle that is 45, 45 and 90. Here you have 45, here you have 45 and here you have 90. it would be tan 45. So in this case, they are 1, 1 and square root 3. So in case of tan 45, it would be opposite divided by the adjacent. So it would be 1 over 1. So it would be 1. Got it? So now let's just find tan 60. Here you have 60, here you have 30, and here you have 90 degrees. Got it? So in this case, you have square root 3, 1 and 1. So you have to find tan 60. So let's just see tan 60 is opposite divided by the, so opposite is square root 3 and adjacent is 1. Yes, tan 60 equals square root 3. That means the exact value of tan x square root 3 is 60 degrees. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. So 60 degrees, the correct option. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Let's just move on to next one. X is an acute angle. Find the value of x in degrees. Tan x equals square root 3 over 3. Okay, now you are given. Okay, the next one is you are given tan x equals square root 3 over 3. Got it? You have to find the value of x. So let's just start with the first triangle. Let's find tan 30. It would be the 30-60 triangle. So it would be 30 here, 60 here, and 90 here. Got it? So let's start with tan 30. So when it is 30-60 triangle, it would be 1, 1 and square root 3. So tan 30 is opposite divided by adjacent. Got it? It would be 1 over square root 3. Got it? That isn't the correct. Okay, when you convert 1 over square root 3 to just multiply and divide with the square root 3, it would be square root 3 times 1 is square root 3, and you have square root 3 square. It would be square root 3 over 3. That means the correct answer is tan 30. Got it? Also, you can check for tan 45. Okay, so you have to check for tan 45. So it is the angle for 45, 45 and 90. It would be 1, 1 and square root 2. So tan 45 is, you can check for both the angles. For both the angles, it would be 1 over 1 and it would be 1. Got it? Okay, now let's just find tan 60. Okay, here you have 60, here you have 30, and here you have 90. So in this case, you have the side lengths, they are square root 3, 1 and 1. So tan 60 is opposite divided by the adjacent. It would be square root 3 over 1. That means it is square root 3. So the correct option is the angle x equals 30 degrees. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. It would be 30. Got it? Okay, then let's just move on. You can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. So the next topic is trigonometric ratios. Find the length of a side. Let me just write the lesson name. Find the length of a side. Okay, let's just start with the example. Okay, trigonometric ratios. Okay, so here is the first example, first question we're going to start with. You have to find. Okay, let's just start with the first example. Let me write down the question on board. Okay, you are given with a triangle RT. You are given with a triangle that is R, T, and S. So it would be 2 square root 14. Here is the angle 60 and here is the right angle. Got it? You have to find RT. Basically, you have to find the side length RT. Got it? You're given one of the side length and two of the angles. So let's use this angle 60. So according to angle 60, it is the hypotenuse. It is the adjacent. Got it? You have to find the value of basically the adjacent. Got it? You have to find the length of RT. Let's just calculate cos 60 to find the other side length. It would be cos 60. Cos 60 is adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. Got it? So adjacent is, okay, let's just use as an example 13, 60, 90 triangle. The special triangle, that is 30, 60 and 90. Here you have 60, here you have 30, and here you have 90. Got it? That is the special triangle. Here you have the, in this case you have this side lengths 1, 2 and square root 3. So use the special triangle. Got it? I'm using this for the, I'm going special triangle to find the value of the cos 60. Got it? So cos 60 in the special triangle case, hypotenuse divided by the adjacent. So hypotenuse is square root 3 and adjacent is 1. So it would be square root 3. It would be in, it is 2 in the case special triangle. It is 2 and it is square root 3. Got it? So in this case adjacent is, adjacent divided by, it would be 1 over 2. Got it? Okay, that means we have cos 60 is 1 over 2 for the special case, for the special triangle. Okay, now let's just find the length of the RT for this triangle. Got it? So use this triangle as cos 60 equals RT. It would be the adjacent. Adjacent is RT divided by the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 2 square root 14. Got it? So for the special triangle, because it is the special one with 60 and 30. Got it? So for the special triangle, cos 60 equals 1 over 2. So it would be 1 over 2 equals RT divided by 2 square root 14. Just do a cross multiplication. RT times 2 equals 2 times square root 14. Got it? So you have to find the value of RT only, divide both sides by 2. So it would be RT equals square root 14. Got it, everyone? It would be RT equals square root 14. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions so that we can do the practice questions. If you have any question, please write the question in the chat box so that I can answer all your questions. Okay, let's start with the test questions. Okay, you have to find Vx. It's a 30, 60 triangle. Got it? Here you have 30, 60 and then 90. Got it? So let's just start with the triangle. Let me just draw the triangle. It would be like this. So VXW, it would be V, X and W. It is 90. Then you have 30 and X. Got it? So it would be 2 over square root 13. It is 3 or it is square root 13. Okay. You have to find the value of the Vx. Okay, we have to find the value of the Vx. Got it? Okay, so let's just start with the sine of the 30-degree. Got it? Let's just make a special triangle. So for the special triangle, it would be, wait, Okay, for the special triangle here you have 30, then it would be 1 and it would be 2. It would be square root 3. Got it? So let's start with the special triangle. So for the special triangle, we have sine 30 equals opposite divided by the hypotenuse. Got it? So opposite is this is square root 3. This is 1. Opposite is 1 and it would be 1 over 2. Got it? So sine 30 equals 1 over 2. Got it? Now let's just solve the triangle you are given with. Now you have to calculate the sine 30 for the given triangle. So sine 30 is Vx divided by the 2 over square root 13. So sine 30 is, we know that 1 over 2 for the special triangle. It would be then 2 and square root 13. So just do cross multiplication. It would be 2 times Vx and it would be 2 square root 13. Divide both sides by 2 because you have to find the value of Vx only. So Vx equals square root 13. Got it? So the value of the Vx is square root 13. Got it? So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is find FG. It's a 30-60 triangle. Let's just draw the triangle. You can find the you can memorize the angles for the special triangle. Then that would be easy. It would be G, F, and H. So H is 60 degrees. Got it? So let's just find the value of the, what value we have to find? We have to find the side length of the FG. It is 16 and we have to find this one FG. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the special triangle, that is 60-30. It would be 60, and in this case you have square root 3, 1 and 2. So sine 60 equals opposite divided by the hypotenuse. Got it? It would be then square root 3 divided by 2. Got it? Now just start with the triangle given. Sine 30 equals opposite divided by the hypotenuse. Sine 60 equals opposite divided by the hypotenuse. So opposite is FG and hypotenuse is 16. So sine 16 is square root 3 over 2 and FG over 16. Just do cross multiplication. It would be 2 times FG and 16 times square root 3. So divide both sides by 2. So it would be FG equals 2 times is 8 is 16, 8 square root 3. Got it? It would be 8 square root 3. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it, everyone? So the correct option is 8 square root 3. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, let's start with the next one. Find CD. Let me just draw the triangle. It would be BCD, BC and D, and then you have 30, 90, 30, 90 and 60. Okay, the length you are given is 2 square root 6. Okay, just draw a special triangle. So the special triangle is 90, 30. So in this case you have 1, 2 and square root 3. So in the case special triangle case, sine 30 is opposite divided by the hypotenuse. Opposite is 1 over 2. Got it? Okay, now you have to find the CD of the triangle. Then it would be, you have to use the sine of 30. Sine of 30 is CD divided by 2 square root 6. So sine 30 is 1 over 2 and CD over 2 square root 6 is, just do cross multiplication, it would be 2 square root 6 times 2 times equals 2 times CD. Divide both of the sides by 2, so it would be 2 and 2 got cancelled out and we are left with CD equals square root 6. That means the length of side CD is square root 6. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. The next topic is find trigonometric functions using a calculator. Okay, let me write down the lesson name. The lesson name is find trigonometric functions using a calculator. Find trigonometric functions using a calculator. Now you have to find the up till now we are using the we're finding the values by using calculations. Got it? So now you have to use with the calculator. You have to find the values using the calculator. Got it? Okay, let's start with the lesson, that is find trigonometric functions using a calculator. Okay, evaluate. Write your answer as an integer or as decimal rounded to the nearest hundred, sine 59. Got it? Just use the calculator, calculate the value of sine 59 from the calculator, and you have your answer. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, you have to find the value of the cos 60 degrees. Got it? It would be cos 60 degrees. Let me just find an online calculator, then we'll, where you have to find the value of sine 60, I think it is. Yes, sorry, cos 60, not sine. So you have to find the value of cos 60. Here is the cos, and you have to find the value of cos 60. Got it? So it equals negative cos 60 degrees. We have to find the value of what happened. Mm, cos, I haven't used the scientific calculator online. It would be cos 60. It is 0.2, I think. Let me just confirm by using a calculator. Okay, I have cos of angle 60, it would be 0.5, but you're not given with 0. 0.69 it is. Here you have written 0.60 and here the calculated values are for cos 69. What is this? Yes, the cos 69 is 0.36, but this isn't. Here you have written cos 60. So the calculated value is for cos 69. Got it? So it's a typing mistake, I think. Okay, evaluate your answer as an integer or as a decimal rounded to nearest 100. Okay, sine 37. Let me check if we can find sine 37 here. Okay, sine 37. All the numbers are negative. I don't know what happened. Hmm. Okay, let me just use the calculator. Sine 37. You can just type the numbers on the calculator, click on the sine function button, and then type the number that is 37. Got it? So it would be sine 37 is 0.60. So the correct option is 0.60. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is sine 29. Okay, let me just, it would be sine 39. So it would be 0. Sorry, 29, not 30. 0.29. It would be 0.48. Got it? So that would be the correct option. 0.47 is the correct option. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is cos 70. Got it? Just use the calculator, type the values, and you'll get your answer. Click on the cos function button, and then the number is 70. So cos 70 is 0.34. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, evaluate, write your answer as a decimal rounded to the nearest hundred. It would be sine 45. Got it? So click on the button on the calculated sine function button, and then type 48 degrees. So it would be 0.74. So the first option is the correct one. It would be 0.74. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is evaluate. Write your answer as an integer or as a decimal rounded to the nearest hundred. So it would be sine 33. Got it? So just click on the sign button on the calculator, then select the number that is sine 33. So it would be 0.54. Got it? So the correct option is 0.54. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is evaluate. Write your answer as an integer or as a decimal rounded to the nearest hundreds. So it would be cos 45. So select the cos button and then click on the 75. So it would be cos 75 is 0.26. So the correct option is 0.26. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is evaluate. Write your answer as an integer or as a decimal rounded to the nearest hundred. So you have to calculate sine 43. Got it? So just click on the sine button on the calculator, and you have to calculate sine 43. It would be 0.68. Got it? So the correct option is 0.68. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, evaluate. Write your answer as an integer or a decimal rounded to the nearest hundred. So it would be cos 24. Got it? So let me just calculate the value cos 24. So cos 24 is, it would be cos 24. It would be 0.91. Got it? So the correct option is 0.91. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is evaluate. Write your answer as an integer or as a decimal rounded to the nearest hundred. So you have to find the value of cos 88. So the value of the cos 88 is 0. The value of cos 88 is 0.33. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Evaluate with, write your answer as an integer or as a decimal rounded to the nearest hundred. So you have to calculate the value of sine 59. So just select the correct option, and sine 59 is 0.85. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is you have to calculate cos 38. Got it? So cos 38 is 0.79. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Evaluate, write your answer as an integer or as a decimal rounded to the nearest hundred. You have to find the value of the cos 44. Got it? Cos 44. It would be 0.71. It is 0.69. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is cos 89. So cos 89 is 0.02. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the last one is write your answer as an integer or as a decimal rounded to the nearest hundred. So it would be cos 31. Got it? Just calculate the cos 31. Cos 31. It is 0.86. So correct option is 0.86. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, so we have completed the test. So here is the list of the lessons we have covered today. They are, okay, these are the lessons we have covered today from grade 10. Chapter name is trigonometry, and the list of the lessons we have covered today is inverses of the trigonometric functions. Then we did trigonometric ratios, find the length of the side, and then find trigonometric functions using a calculator. Got it? So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the topics we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So that's all for today. If you need more help with the topic, please contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.